Hey guys, I'm Mr. Mills, and today we're going to be evaluating expressions by substituting in known values. Okay, so I have this kind of long expression here, b squared times 3c minus a, and then plus 2a minus c. Okay, and I have a equal to 2, b equal to 3, and c equal to 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these three values for a, b, and c, and I'm going to substitute them in to this expression here, respectively, right? And then I'll use my order of operations over here and simplify down until I get one answer of just one number, let's say 10 or something like that, right? That should be my final answer, just a number. I don't know what it is, I haven't worked out the problem yet, but that will be our final answer. No variables in there, no letters, nothing like that, just a number, okay? So here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to start by substituting in a equal to 2, b equal to 3, and c equal to 5 into this expression over here. Okay, so I'm going to replace b squared with, well, b is 3. So I'm going to replace b squared with 3 squared. Right, and then I have a parenthesis, and I'm going to replace 3c with, well, let's keep the 3, and then c is 5. So I'm going to replace this c right here with a 5. Close that parenthesis. Right, and then minus a, so minus, well, what is a? A is 2, so minus 2. And then let's go ahead and close that parenthesis. Okay, and then now I have a plus 2a minus c. So let's do a plus 2 times, what is a? Well, a again is 2, 2 times 2, and then minus c is 5, okay? So I went ahead and I took all of my known values for a, b, and c, and I substituted them into this rather long expression, and now I'm going to start using my operations over here and simplifying, okay? So, where should I start? Well, my order of operations tells me I should start with parentheses, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I should start with my parentheses for please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. See, she is so loving and kind. Okay, so I'm going to start inside here, and I'm going to go ahead and simplify as much as I can in there before I do anything else. So let's keep this 3 squared, and then inside my parentheses here, I have two different operations going on. I have multiplication right here, and I also have subtraction right here. So what should I worry about first, my multiplication or my subtraction? Well, over here, multiplication comes before subtraction. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify this 3 times 5 before I do anything else. So 3 times 5 gets me 15, and then I still got minus 2, plus 2 times 2 minus 5, okay? So we're getting somewhere. Okay, and then I'm going to further simplify this parenthesis by doing 15 minus 2. Okay, so 15 minus 2 is 13, and then plus 2 times 2, and minus 5. Okay? Okay, so we've simplified our parentheses as much as we can. Now the next thing I need to look at is, well, what else do I have in this problem? I have an exponent here. I have multiplication here, and subtraction here. What should I do first? Well, exponent comes before multiplication. So I'm going to worry about all of my exponents in this problem first. Okay, so 3 squared is 9. And let's replace that times 13, plus 2 times 2, and minus 5. Okay, getting somewhere. All right, now I have some multiplication here, and some subtraction. Well, multiplication is the next step on my order. Okay, so I'm going to do all the multiplication in the problem as I can. So 9 times 13, I believe, is 117, plus 2 times 2 is 4, and minus 5. Let's bring this party up here. Now I have 117 plus 4 minus 5. Remember, whenever you have addition and subtraction, only addition and subtraction in the problem, you really just work left to right, right? You can, once you only have these two guys left over, then just work left to right. Now this problem's nice and it works out where addition does in fact come first. However, if it were flip-flopped, it wouldn't really matter. You're just going to go from left to right, which is kind of confusing when we do the orders of operation. It's misleading. Okay, so I'm going to do 117 plus 4 minus 5. 117 plus 4 is 121 minus 5. And then 121 minus 5 is 116. Okay, and there you have it. Our final answer, like I said, just one number. Notice how there's no letters in there, no variables, no parameters, nothing. Just one number of 116, and that should do it. Thank you for watching.